I'm National Weather Service Phoenix meteorologist Jerry Heil with your forecast update on this 26th of December, almost the end of the year, and we have active weather returning to the desert southwest. You could see the beginnings of it because we had quite a few high clouds spilling in from the northwest this evening, just the outer edges of a ton of moisture heading into the pattern over the west. Take a look here at this chart of water vapor imagery looking across the eastern Pacific all the way beyond Hawaii, and notice there that long fetch of moisture coming in from the west and really aimed right at California. So no question there's going to be several opportunities to really continue to dent the drought across the west and give us quite a few clouds and showers as well over the next several days to come. This is the Weather Prediction Center rainfall forecast, and you can see those shades of red and orange across California indicating where heavy rain and high country snow is forecast. And even over Arizona we have those shades of blue and purple, which show where more rain than anything is expected across the state. Could be some snow, but that's going to be above 6,500 feet, and the chances of this precipitation are really going to peak on Wednesday, at least with the first surge of precip. So here is our forecast radar from one of our high-resolution forecast models. And notice there by Tuesday night, overnight into Wednesday morning, the rain begins to break out across our western counties. And then we'll see by Wednesday morning those showers really filling in across central Arizona. So Phoenix, the Wednesday morning commute could be a little bit messy. Off and on showers through early afternoon Wednesday, and then lingering clouds and perhaps some very, very light showers even into Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and perhaps Thursday morning as well. We'll be really hard-pressed to get rid of the cloud cover and the opportunities for a few showers right through Thursday, even though the heaviest accumulating rain is going to be mainly overnight Tuesday through the first half of Wednesday with this system. The rainfall forecast has been a challenge, no other way to put it. Currently, our most likely forecast amounts are 1 inch to 1.5 inches for the metro, less than 1/4 inch for you folks in El Centro and Yuma, as well as Desert Center. But farther east into Gila County and the foothills east of Phoenix, up over 2 inches locally on the highest peaks. Otherwise, 1.5 inches to 2 inches for Globe and Carefree with this particular system. Now, that is our current forecast. Take a look at the high end. Only a 10% chance of this occurring, but if it were to come to fruition, it would be a pretty significant rain event, 2 to 3 inches on the very, very high end of our forecast models. But this is what's really a struggle for us, is the low end. There are still a few models, around 10% of them, showing amounts of rain under 1/4 inch for Phoenix. So yeah, a lot to be worked out in the guidance. We don't like to see that much spread in the forecast ensemble envelope of outcomes, especially this close to the event. It could start raining as early as 24 hours from now west of Phoenix. But that's what we're dealing with, so stay tuned for updates on the forecast. The main concern is going to be perhaps some small streams and creeks rising a little bit. Places like Tonto Creek could become a little bit elevated in terms of those water levels. So folks affected by those rapid rises on area streams, just keep that in mind, know the drill when we have these winter wet weather systems. Tuesday, the last mild day for us with 72 in Phoenix, and then it's going to turn cooler below normal temperatures with low 60s most of the time, and I wouldn't be surprised if Wednesday struggles to even get to 60 during the day. It may be 60 at midnight and then the 50s much of the day itself. Our next weather system not far on its heels. We should be dry late Thursday, Friday, early New Year's Eve, but then as we head toward late New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, more energy heading into the west coast, and that will eventually give us an opportunity for some rain once again. But this is a long way out. We are still working on the rainfall totals for this event, so as you can understand, the one for the weekend, some low confidence there still. We'll keep an eye on it for you, though, for your plans for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. In the meantime, have a great night.